Well, hi there, Peter Croker here, and I'd like to welcome you to our beginner program. Good golf starts with a good grip. Gripping the golf club is the same as the steering wheel is on the motor car. If you've got a good grip, you've got control over the club and you'll be able to hit the ball where you want to go. And when I wrap the fingers around, there'll be no gaps between the actual fingers and the grip itself. Following a good grip, good golf requires a good stance. The stance is where you set up the balance and you also set up the alignment so you can aim at the target so the ball will go where you want it to go. So for that I've put down some alignment sticks here to show you the line to the target, but also to show you the ball's position in relation to the stance. It's important to have a good understanding of the impact position as opposed to the stance address position. So when I'm in the right stance, the grip end of the club points at my center, at my belt buckle. First shot to learn when you're becoming a good golfer is the chip shot, the chip and run shot. It's a shot you play normally around the edge of the green, but it's a great place to learn to make solid impact. It looks something like this. With the pitch shot, the grip is the same as with the chip and run shot. You might like to go up a little bit further up the grip for longer pitch shots, but for most pitch shots, a little down the grip gives you more control and you can hit it a little firmer without the ball going too far. Very important club to get right, and looking at it from the front on view, we're going to look at the grip and the stance that makes it happen. Now the rescue golf club, it's been very popular in recent times because it does rescue you not only out of the rough but shots into the green. It's a very handy club. When it comes to putting, there are many variations in grip that have workability. We're just going to show you a couple of simple ones here. On the golf course they have hazards. These are bunkers, sand traps, and when you get in them it's nice to get out of them in one shot. Balance finish, good compression on that golf ball, straight down the middle, and you'll enjoy the hit. Remember, hit down on the ball, hit the ball down and out, and the ball will go straight to the target.